Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about scrap metal art and the decor ideas and how to make it and do it by yourself project. Scrap metal art and decor have become increasingly popular in recent years as more people are embracing the eco-friendly ethos of upcycling and repurposing material not only in scrap metal art decorative outlet, but it can also be cost effective way to decorate your home and your garden. In this video we will share some scrap metal art and the decor ideas along with step-by-step instruction and how to make it them, whether you are a beginner or the experienced do it by yourself enthusiast. This project will definitely inspire you and create your own unique piece of art. So let's get started. Metal wall art is a great way to add touch of industrial style and look to your home decor. To make your own, start by collecting various pieces of scrap metal such as old car parts, bikes, chains, and discarded metal objects. Once you have gathered your materials, sketch out the design on a piece of paper, then use a welder or to connect the piece of metal together, sand them out any rough edges and the sharp points, and finish with a coat of spray paint or clear the lacquer to protect the metal. Second one is garden sculptures. Metal sculpture can be a decorative way fun and the decorative way to add a artistic touch to your garden. To make your own, start by choosing a theme or the concept such as animal, insects, and the abstract shapes. Gather your metal scrap pieces and begin to construct your sculpture using a combination of welding and the firework techniques. You can add traditional elements such as rocks and the planters to create a more dynamic and the composition style. Metal planter are the functional and the stylish way to display your favorite plant and the flowers. To make your own, start by choosing a piece of scrap metal that is large enough to hold the plant and has a flat bottom. Next, drill a drainage hole in the bottom of the metal and add a layer of gravel to the bottom drainage. Fill the planter with soil and add your favorite plant and the flowers. You can also add decorative elements such as paint, design, and the welded material enchants. Metal bookends can be a unique and the functional addition to your bookshelf or home office. To make your own, start by choosing the two pieces of scrap metal that are enough the size and the shapes. Next, down the rough edges, sharp point, and attach to the two pieces together using a welder or the metal adhesive. You can add decorative elements such as painted design or the welded metal enchant or the personalize your bookends. Metal candle holder can add a touch of warmth and ambience to your room in your home decor style. To make your own, by start choosing a piece of scrap metal that is large enough to hold the candle securely and use it a metal cutter to shape it out and decorate the metal to create a holder for the candle. Sand down the rough edges and sharp points and finish with a coat of spray paint and protect with the metal shield. In conclusion, scrap metal art can be a fun and a decorative way to repurpose material, create unique, and whether you are a beginner or the experienced stood by yourself enthusiast.
Scrap metal art and decor can be fun and the creative way to repurpose material and create a unique piece of art. Whether you are a beginner or the experienced do-it-by-yourself enthusiast, these projects are sure to inspire you to explore your creativity and experiment with different techniques, materials. So start collecting your scrap matter today and build your imagination and run wild. There are the several benefits of creating using scrap metal art and decor, including eco-friendly. Using scrap metal for art and decor is an eco-friendly option as it reduces the almost waste and that end up in a landfill. Scrap metal can repair to a little to no cost, making it a cost-effective material for do-it-by-yourself project. Each piece of scrap metal is unique, which means that each piece of scrap metal, art and decor is also unique. This allows you to express your creativity and create one of a kind piece that cannot be found in store. Versatile scrap metal can be used in a variety of ways and can be transformed into a range of different styles from modern to the rustic. Creating scrap metal art and decor can help you to develop new skills such as welding, metal cutting, which can be helpful in future do-it-by-yourself project. Making scrap metal art and the decor require a design creativity which can help you to appreciate in design in a new way. The scrap metal art and decor is a popular trend in many countries around the world, including in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and the many European countries. However, the popularity of this fashion may vary in a different region and the communities. With the rise of eco-friendly and the sustainable practice, scrap metal art and decor is becoming a more widely appreciated and participated globally. Wear protect gear such as glove, goggles, and face when making some work with scrap metal, especially when using power tool and welding equipment. Plan your design ahead of time and sketch it out on a paper before start your project. Use high quality tool equipment that are appropriate for the right job. Experiment with different type of scrap metal and the techniques to find out that work best for you. Pay attention to the details such as sanding down rough edges and the protective finish to your project. Scrap metal that may be contaminated with hazardous materials such as lead and asbestos. Attempt of use welding to other metalworking equipment without proper training or the experience. Work on a project without first securing your work area and making sure you have enough space to move around safely. Rush thoroughly. Projected without taking the time to ensure it is a stable and the secure. Neglect and the diplomat of the leftover scrap metal or the materials. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching.